found even another pocket down the side there. There's just pockets everywhere. I've discovered that is actually where you'd put the shoes. Socks underneath and to fill that space there. This will fit neatly below the seat in front of you. The handle, so you can carry it like this. Handle at the top. And of course, I said it was a backpack, so obviously that can go over your shoulders as well. I'm just looking forward to the holiday now. Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richie from Bikepacking Adventures, and I've got a bit of a look at a new product that has landed in my lap. Now, a quick disclaimer, I don't always accept products. This one's been given to me in kind. I'm not being paid to say what I'm going to be telling you in this video. It's just a bit of an honest look at the product. I've had it a couple of weeks now. I've got a holiday planned at the end of April. Every now and again, an opportunity comes my way to look at a product which suits me, would suit me really well, and this one took my interest. Like I say, it's a travel backpack from BagSmart. We're going to have a look at what I'm going to be taking with me on a holiday later this year at the end of April. A little bit of background behind me, so let's just pop the bag down for a moment. I'm a cyclist. I entered lots of races here in the UK and overseas. I'm a solo traveller, so I don't take a lot. I've got a bike box with me, which will contain not only the bike, but clothing and a few other items, which we're going to take a look at now. So as I've already alluded to, this product is kind of aimed at solo travels, but not exclusively. Maybe one of these people just doesn't take an awful lot with you. This is one of these bags that fits neatly in those boxes you see at airports. I'll throw the picture up on the screen, and this will neatly sit underneath the seat in front of you. Right, okay, so what is on the bed here? So let's say I'll be taking a holiday in April. It's a cycling adventure, and there's certain things I need to take with me either in the bag or in the bike box. So shoes, this is for demonstration purposes only, really. I'm not going to wear those on my feet. But clothes, a couple of t-shirts, pants, a couple pair of socks, a snood, and likely a pair of gloves. Just above those, a few toiletries, just to give an indication of what things I've taken with me. And in the middle of the bed here, just a selection of nutritional products, like hydration tablets over here, powders, oat bars, energy gels, Haribo, some of these gels from Decathlon. Some of this will go in the bike box along with the bike. Well, obviously I don't want to have to pay. Can't put everything in the bike box though, because keep the weight down. And in the top right corner screen, there's room in this bag for a laptop. Won't take that with me, but I should, for demonstration purposes again. Sunglasses, I put these on the bed, but obviously I'm probably going to wear those on the top of my head. Keep the weight down. I've got a mouse. I've got in a bag we're just going to go to in a little while. It's got the brick in there, USB cables, things like that. This camera I've got in my hand needs power. Needs the batteries. I've got a computer, helmet light, power bank, a plug, USB-C and USB plug, which I don't have to hand at the moment. Well, I need a converter for 2 to 3 pin. Front light on the bike, bike pump, water bottle, a wallet with lots of bits and bobs in there, and of course a passport so I can get on the plane. Okay, so that's the kind of thing that I'll be taking with me, but we need to put those in the bag. But first, before we do that, we'll just have a look around at the bag first and show you a few features. So I found a bit of a space on the bed to take a look inside. So first off, I think this is the 38 litre version. Could be wrong, they do a 28 as well. I'm not entirely sure. I'll pop a link on the screen if you want to go find out about this bag, but it's absolutely fantastic. There's just, for me before closer, there's numerous pockets all over this. From the outside, where you've got one here, another one on the front, just here. There's just so many pockets. On that middle panel, there's also the entry to the deeper area of the bag in here. This bit here is like a waterproof thing, and I've discovered that is actually where you'd put the shoes. The entry is from the side here, and it just keeps your shoes away from your clothes. There's a bit of a clip on here. This is where your clothes are going to go. We'll show you that in just a moment. Down the side here, we've got a big recess area just here. I'll stand up for a moment. That will be where my water bottle goes. On the opposite side, there's a handle, so you can carry it like this if you wish to. Handle at the top, so you can carry it like that. And of course, as I said, it was a backpack, so obviously that can go over your shoulders as well. So many different ways you can carry this bag. On the top, there's another compartment there, and a pocket here, which I just remembered about. So you can put loose items and things like that. There is this panel here, and this is where the laptop's going to go. It fits up to a 15.6 size laptop, and mine MacBook Pro is exactly that size. And there's another pocket here as well. And on the opposite side is these further pockets. I'll show you how I'm going to pack everything that I'm going to take away on holiday. What else have we missed? I think that could well be it. And I've just realised as well, there's another zipped area here, which goes all the way around, and basically it expands this area out even further to give even more space. But I'm not going to be packing an awful lot, so I can leave that one zipped up. And you've also got these buckles as well. So if you get to the plane and realise you know you've overpacked, you can cinch it up as well. Often at security, as you're going through the airport now, if you carry loads of electrical stuff, not even just electrical stuff, they'll give you trays to put everything onto, so sometimes you end up empty bags. On the second to last trip, because I use a more traditional backpack, it was very annoying when I got to security. So what I'm going to do, and what I'll show you in a moment, is I'm going to put all the electrical stuff in probably this top area here, so it's just all together. So when I go through security, I can just take it all out there off a mast. I know my way around the bag a bit more, and it won't be such a waste of time when I go through security. And we're going to start by putting the laptop away first. And this is where I went wrong last time I filmed this. The correct place to put your laptop, as I showed you some moments ago, is here. I won't show you putting every single item, we'll jump through a little bit. But we'll put a laptop in there. This is my bag which comes with the laptop. And we'll take this out. We've got the brick there, we've got a USB cable. So it looks like a lead from my sports watch. There's the MagSafe lead for the laptop, and some pods as well. And I explained earlier, I will not be taking a laptop with me, but it's just for demonstration really, to just show you what you can take with you. So we'll pop these in here like that. As for the toiletries, like sun cream, I'm going to put that on here like this, denture cream. Other bits and bobs in there as well. So we've kind of got that compartment how we want it to be. Okay, so that's the laptop taken care of. But now we're going to move into the middle compartment and the outer zip. Get some clothes in there. In fact, we'll start with the shoes that take with me. Maybe these were a pair spare flip-flops or something like that. So I've just packed a couple of t-shirts, a pair of shorts, socks underneath to fill that space there, gloves, nude, pants. So I'm just going to pop this all into here. The light, the batteries for the camera, helmet light, etc, etc. I'm just going to pop those all into there, close it up. Water bottle down the side. It's got these little stretchy things as well. If you need to put anything more, it's gonna, I say stretchy things, elastic, so it allows it to hold in place. But we're gonna put these buckles across as well, just to shrink it all down with. Just extend that a little bit, cinch it up so it takes a little bit less space. So we've got nutritional stuff to find a home for. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reopen that compartment where all the food is, because I've just remembered, turn the bag around, there's this big compartment up here for the Velo 40 nutritional stuff, the gels, jellies, bars, Haribo, and hydration tablets should all neatly fit in there. Yep. Close that back up again. And that leaves just a small number of items on the bed. I don't want to put too much more in there really. But I'm going to put the wallet in the front. Chances are passport will remain in my pocket, but maybe I've gone through security control and I just need to find a home for it. That'll go in there. So what I've ended up here is with a neat backpack. I'm just going to throw it over my shoulder. Take a look. Good weight. Everything's well organised. Again, I'll be taking a bike box with me, so there's bits in here that I won't take this with me, and I can trim it down a little bit further. So this is the last travel backpack from Bagsmart, and I found even another pocket down the side there. There's just pockets everywhere. This was hiding under one of the handles where you'd carry it this way on. There's just a little pocket there as well. So if you're just using this to go to work, because there's no reason why you can't, and I may well do that because I can get the laptop, a few bits and bobs, power and everything. I do that every day, well, 3 times a week. Just go to work with this. I'm glad I agreed to them sending me this, because like I said earlier, I only really accept things that I'm actually genuinely going to make use of, and I think are a good idea for my lifestyle. So that's why I've accepted this. Ideal for solo travels. The key points are, again, this will fit neatly in below the seat in front of you. If you pack it intelligently, and there's loads of pockets to enable you to do that. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to the holiday now. Comments, questions, do stick them down below. Perhaps you own one of these already. Do let me know how you've made use of it. And I'll see you again in the next video soon. Take care. Bye bye.